how to make Snapchat public profile. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can make the Snapchat public profile. So guys, to create the public profile on the Snapchat, you're gonna have to follow some steps. So guys, tap on your Bitmoji or the story icon at the top left corner of the screen, and after that tap on my public profile and then tap on the edit to customize your public profile by adding a bio, profile photo, cover photo, and other public information that you want to use your fans to see. So you will have to tap right here on create my public, and then you will have to tap right here on continue, then you will have to tap right here on create, and after that you will have to do different things from there to make your profile public. So this is how you can easily create your profile public. Hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.